What's up? It's Rob from Superhuman Bikes with another Photon production update. The important thing to note about this particular update is that the footage you're about to see is over 2 weeks old. It's actually from November 6th, which is the day that your Photon left the factory. Without further ado, let's check out the footage. So this is inside the factory. Not too much to see here now that your bikes have left. The last video we sent you was the bikes being completed, boxed up, ready to go. We're going down the elevator. I'm just speeding through this video so you can get to the fun part, which is on the ground floor here. Boom. These are your beautiful Photons being loaded into the shipping container. This shipping container left the factory on November 6th. It went to port, and right now it's in the middle of the ocean on its way to the United States. It does take a little bit of time to get from Asia to us here in California. So that's what's happening right now. I got this footage a while ago. I didn't want to spam you with one update after another, like one day and then another day and then no updates for weeks and weeks while it's on the water. So that's why you're getting this update now. As far as the timeline, I'll get into that in just a second. After we load these bikes, we'll do it in fast forward. You get the idea. Lots of bikes in a beautiful shipping container. Now, the last update you saw was the assembly being finished, bikes being boxed up, and factory dispatch. That was this video. Ocean freight, that is in progress right now. And we're expecting to receive the Photons here in California in early to mid-December. That's the best estimate that our shippers are giving us right now. There's always a little bit of uncertainty on exactly how long it will take the boat to get there, if the boat will have to line up or not at the port, and then exactly how long customs clearance will take. So we can never give an exact date of when the bikes will actually be unloaded from that container ship. The best we can tell you is mid to early December, early to mid-December is when they will get to our warehouse. From there, we will get the Fedex shipping label, attach it to your bike, and that's when you're gonna get your tracking number emailed to you so you can track the bike all the way to your home. So again, early, mid-December when they get here, and then about 3 days if you're on the West Coast for bikes to get there from our warehouse, and 7 days from our warehouse to you in the East Coast. If you're one of the 2 or 3 international orders that we took for this bike, it's a similar timeline. It will be a different but similar shipping channel to get those bikes to you. Our goal is to get them to you before Christmas because it will just be the best Christmas gift ever, a bike that glows in the dark, in my opinion anyways, but I'm not biased at all. So thank you everybody so much for your patience, for following along with these updates. Stay tuned and keep an eye out on your email, especially around early to mid-December for that tracking number. And we'll see you in the next one.